For the past few years, Miami has been a hot real estate market. The demand for houses and condos has been high, but now it seems like this is changing. Many people who thought they would never see this kind of winter are seeing it now. So what do you think that is? Miami's real estate has been on fire for years. As you know, Miami is a beautiful city with an eclectic culture and diverse population. But what many people don't know is that it's also home to some of the most expensive properties in America. And why do I know? Because I own a lot of property in Miami, and they're not as affordable as they once were. The average price per square foot in Miami has risen from $99 per square foot in 2016 to $500 today. This increase can be attributed to several factors: limited supply, high demand, increased interest from foreign buyers who have been purchasing homes throughout South Florida since then. So let's talk about it. And by the way, I have a property right now that we're in contract from a buyer from Hong Kong, so it proves my point. Miami's current economic condition. I know you've been waiting for this moment. After more than 2 years of falling inventory and skyrocketing home prices, Miami's buyers can finally get some relief. Why? Well, home sales are decreasing, inventory is increasing, buyers and sellers are trying to grasp the ever-changing economic conditions, but buyers are also seeing a more favorable climate in which to buy homes than they ever did before. With that being said, there are still some things you need to know before taking the plunge into this market. Homes are not taking as long to sell as they did last year. In September 2022, homes sold in 50 days on average compared to 55 days in September of 21, a 9-day improvement over the same period last year. The median home sale price was $475,000 and only 18.8% of homes sold above list price. Inventory is down 12.3% year over year, but has increased from a record low earlier in 2022. Closed sales are also falling at a rate unseen since 2015, which is 31%. So what does this mean for buyers? Well, it means that the prices are likely to continue to fall while interest rates climb, and as inventory increases, you should expect to see a more competitive market. However, the most important thing is that Miami's real estate trends are showing signs of stabilization, and this is a good sign for sellers and buyers alike. Now, you may be asking yourself, how can mortgage rates be rising when home prices are falling? The answer is that they're not. That's right. Mortgage rates have been rising for several months now, and you're probably noticed it in your bank statement. In fact, according to Zillow's latest home price index trend report, which tracks changes in home values across the country, mortgage payments have increased by an average of more than $500 per month since last year, or about 5%. The real estate market is cooling down in Miami, but it's not all bad news. It's kind of coming down to normalization. The demand for homes is still high and prices are still rising. So if you're looking to buy a house or condo, now might be a time to get in one of these deals before prices go even higher. Because we all know what happens in an inflationary market compared to the 1980s and the 1970s. Home prices have gone up. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.